Want to know how traders consistently make money trading SPY, the S&P 500 ETF? It's not magic. It's about strategy, discipline, and timing. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to trade SPY the smart way, using real strategies that actually work. SPY is one of the most heavily traded ETFs in the world. That's a good thing, because it means high liquidity, tight spreads, and clean technical setups. But it also means it's competitive. Trading it randomly doesn't work. Here's what does work. First, trade around key levels like the previous day's high and low, the pre-market range, and the VWAP. One reliable setup is watching SPY push above the pre-market high with strong volume. If it pulls back to retest that level and holds, that's a potential long entry. You're looking for confirmation and continuation. The same idea works in reverse for breakdowns. Another proven strategy is the opening range breakout. During the first 15 to 30 minutes of the day, mark the high and low of that range. Once SPY breaks out of that range with volume, you wait for a retest. If it holds, you enter. This works especially well on 5-minute candles. Just remember, no volume means no trade. Always pay attention to the bigger picture. SPY doesn't just move based on charts. It moves with market sentiment, news, and macro events. If the Fed is speaking, if CPI data is coming out, or if bond yields are spiking, that all affects SPY. A clean setup can still fail if you're ignoring the bigger narrative. Now let's talk about what not to do. First, don't chase green candles. If SPY is surging and you enter late, you're probably buying the top. Wait for the pullback. Let it come to you. Second, don't ignore volume. A breakout without volume is usually a fake out. Look for high relative volume compared to the average of the last 10 candles. Third, avoid trading during the lunch hours between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern. Volume drops and price action becomes choppy. It's a common time for small accounts to get chopped up. Focus on the open and close instead. One simple but powerful strategy is the 9 and 21 EMA scalp. Add those two exponential moving averages to your chart. When the 9 crosses above the 21 and SPY is trending, wait for a pullback to the 9 EMA. If it bounces, that's your entry. If price closes below both EMAs, get out. This strategy is clean, fast, and works best on the 5-minute chart. Also, watch QQQ and the VIX to confirm SPY's moves. If SPY is going up but VIX is also rising, something doesn't add up. If SPY and QQQ are both moving together with volume and VIX is dropping, that confirms strength. Trading SPY isn't about guessing right every time. It's about staying patient, recognizing clean setups, and managing your risk. Master one or two of these strategies instead of chasing every move, and you'll see more consistent results. If this helped you trade smarter, share it with someone who needs to hear it.